If you're facing a collaboration problem over on your Instagram, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of this. But make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. Now, first of all, you just have to move to your profile section and then navigate to the top right and go to settings. In settings, you're gonna go to privacy and make sure if your account is currently private, then you have to switch your account to public. Because if your account is currently private, then most probably that's the reason behind the collaboration problem. And after that, check if the problem is resolved or not. But in the case if it's still the same, then the second thing you can do, now you're gonna move to your Google Play Store, search for Instagram and check if there is any update available for Instagram. Then you need to update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So once that gets updated, now you're gonna do, or what you can do, then you're gonna move to your home screen, go to Instagram, hold it and go to app instant. Once you're over here, you're gonna go to storage usage and simply tap on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory of Instagram will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of Instagram. Alright, so after doing all these things, you're gonna move to your Instagram again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And this time, most probably you will not get any kind of issue. So that's how you can fix your collaboration problem on Instagram. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.